Hi, here's my DJI hack to record stereo audio while filming walking videos. This simple improvement increased my views by 42%. I film walking videos with my iPhone connected to a DJI Mobile 6 gimbal. The DJI Mic 2 is the obvious best choice for recording stereo audio, given that it's DJI, but connecting them is not supported. There's nowhere to put the mics, even if you can connect it to the iPhone. It took me a little bit of work, but I figured out how to get left and right microphones connected to my iPhone and everything to record in the same video. Here's exactly what you need to know to make this happen yourself. The solution only costs a few dollars. There are only two aspects to this hack that make it possible. The first is mounting the microphones. So go to a local hardware store. This should cost about $1 and buy metal strappings. I bought 3/4 inch thick and then I cut down a piece that's 3 inches long. Metal strappings already have holes in the middle, which fit perfect with the tripod screw that connects between the grip tripod mount of the Osmo Mobile 6 and the gimbal. So I wrap the outsides in tape. This does two things. One, it makes sure the mic doesn't slide off. The other thing is it's sharp, so it could stab you. But when you screw in the Osmo Mobile 6 to the tripod, ensure that the longer sides of the strip are on the left and right side. That way the mics are left and right rather than forward and aft. The second aspect of the setup that needs to be modified is the magnetic phone clamp. Usually it's in the center of the phone and the center of gravity, but because you're adding the receiver and that adds length and weight, you need to move this clamp further to the bottom of the phone. This will ensure that we have balanced footage and that the receiver doesn't bump into the arm of the gimbal. And that's it. This guide should teach you how to improve your audio quality during walking videos so we can all better record the world around us. Let me know how this hack works for you.